Butcher guys, got another dash cam review. This one is made from Xiaomi and the specifications are pretty good. As you can see, the SONY IMX323, also video resolution is 1080p 30 frames per second. The Aperture's F2.2, the view of angle is 130. The built-in processor is an MSC8328P. Also has an expanded memory TF card slot of 8 gigs to 64 gigabytes, class 10 and above you want to use. Does also have a battery in there which is 240 milliamp hour battery. The working temperature is -20 to 60 degrees Celsius, and also we do have loop recording and also G sensor on here. Now this is what you're going to get inside the box. This is everything you're going to need: a user manual, and it's pretty easy to set up. You'll have this up and running in minutes and you'll be able to start recording footage when you're driving on the road day and night. Also going to get your cable, which is going to be powering the dash cam itself. It does come with a battery in there as well, but you can power it via this cable and this USB charging device here, which goes into your cigarette lighter in your dashboard. So you can see here, this is the actual dash cam itself. Brand name is 70Mi, which is made by Xiaomi. You've got a sticky pad connectivity there which will stick it to the screen, and also movability here, so you can adjust the angle on that as well. You've got the lens, which is 1080p, made by Sony, and we've got some ventilation and speaker holes here. Your TF card and your power port on that side, and your power button is on here as well. Now you can download the app from the Google Play Store, and this will allow you to control your camera via your phone. It also is pretty easy to install. You can see here, just add a device and then your camera will start to be added to the phone, and then you can go through the simple steps of setting it up. Now it also has some voice commands here, like take a photo, record a video, record with sound, record without sound, turn on Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi. So you've got those useful commands, which means you don't have to take your eyes off the road and you can just use voice commands to control it. Now this is once the camera is all set up. It's very easy to set up. You can take pictures and also adjust all your settings inside the application here, which gives you plenty of information. You can format your card from here, pretty much control the full camera from the application, which is pretty good, as you can see here. So also you can change all the settings, like have the microphone on or off, and also change the quality. The G sensor sensitivity is on low, but you can set it to high if you want to. There's loads of other features inside here we can mess around with and play with. So that is the actual settings inside here. I'm just going to reconnect to the camera itself, and once you reconnect, it will just connect to the camera. And of course this will be inside your car, so when you're driving in your car you still have connectivity to the camera itself. You can look at your albums here for all the photos and events, and also the videos that you have been taking, and it will automatically record. As soon as you start to turn the vehicle on, it will start to record and it will notify you on your phone. Now the picture quality, as you can see here, was a bit sort of twilight. It was just getting dark, and as you can see here, the quality of the picture is absolutely outstanding for this sort of money. You're talking you know, $38, which is not a lot of money for a dash cam, and you're getting crystal clear images like this. It's pretty good at that sort of price point, if you ask me. Now I've tested a lot of dash cams over the years, and this one's right up there for quality for price, and you can see it gives you the date and time up on the top, which is all you need. And also you've got all the information right here. If you had an incident, it would be recorded and you could then send that to the insurance companies, and this will then make the claim process a lot more easier. So let's move on to some night footage here and take a look what it looks like at night. And as you can see here, it's pretty clear. Now there's only one central light down the middle of the motorway here, so they're not on both sides, but you still get good clear vision at night, and it does record a very clear footage, and that's essential because obviously the more clearer the footage, the much more easier it is to identify incidents and stuff like that. So if you are interested in this camera, I will leave the link in a video description, and you can check out some of my other dashcam videos if you want to compare. But pretty much YouTube may compress a bit of this quality, but what I'm looking at is absolutely outstanding for the money. So anyway, hope you found this video useful. and if you are interested, I will leave all the information in the video description, so you can just click on that link and then purchase it if you're interested. Okay, anyway, my name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Thanks again for watching, guys, and thanks for your continued support. Don't forget to smash that like button, it really does help me out, and also leave a comment in the section below and let me know what you want to see next, and I'll try and do my best to make those videos for you. Have a great day, and I'll sure see you again real soon. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.